Okay, so now let's have a look at sending the HTML file so we can actually see our application running in the browser. So in order to do that, I started adding a dependency, well, I added a dependency on HTML Webpack plugin basically, and the reason why I want to do that is because I want to be able to just dynamically inject the name of this bundle file, because in a production environment we're going to want to add some hashing and stuff of that nature to the file name of this output file. We don't use that right now, but it's very convenient. So what's going to happen is that this HTML Webpack plugin is going to look for a template, and I've specified a template, which is this file here. And this is just a HTML document with an element called root at the root, so that our JavaScript has something to hook into, as we saw here. And then basically all it does is whenever I run Webpack, it's going to produce this file here, index.html, in the dist file. Dist folder, sorry. And here you see the script with my file. And then I just made a small tweak to the server. So basically what's been done here is that I've said that, all right, static assets such as images, JavaScript, stuff of that nature that we go to the server to request, just go and look for those assets in the dist folder, which is this file here, or this folder here. And then I have said that every request, regardless of it's a get, a post, or whatever, and every route should return this static file. Because what we want here is to have an application that is driven by basically, if you go to a route in your browser and you're hitting my server, I want you to see the React application, and then the React application is responsible for communicating with the server. I don't want the server to send anything besides that single index.html file, because that's our entire application. We're going to add more endpoints in the future, but that's it for now. So if we now go to our browser and we refresh, we can see, hey, we're going to localhost 3000 and we are going to get the application. And regardless of what route we go to, we're going to get the same index.html file. So that's that basically. In the next step, we're going to have a little bit of a think about adding, basically we're going to start adding components so that we can start thinking about, okay, what's our work process going to be, and we're going to have a think about adding material UI into things so that we can start actually adding something meaningful to the page. So let's get into that.